4. Kobe edition, if you want to call it that. We're celebrating life today. We're celebrating my cousin Justin. Shout out to him. Love that dude. He's like a brother to me. He's my only brother because I don't have any siblings. I do have siblings, but that's a different discussion for another day. We're heading down to downtown Brooklyn to Mango Bay, I think the place is called. Prefix menu. We got oxtail, short ribs, a whole bunch of other stuff. Egg rolls, free drinks. Not free drinks, but unlimited drinks, wine, and alcohol. So I'm driving, so I won't be indulging too much into that. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for 100 subs. Sub up, subscribe, share anything. You know what I'm saying? I'm just a little calm fit. I can't show you the full things right now, but I'm gonna definitely show you a little bit. And she's pissing me off because she's taking forever.
Hello.
She said it was gonna take her 15 minutes. She said it was gonna take me 15 minutes to get here. It took me a half an hour. A little bit over a half an hour, maybe like 38. Come on.
How are you?
Good, how you doing?
I'm good.
I'm good. How you doing? Wait, you said what?
Thank you.
You said what? Could I get a sorrel? The sorrel spirits? Thank you. She said she got it. Rich millionaire. Hey.
Hello, kind sir.
That's the oxtail? Oh, what's good? I should have done. Alright, ribs on the good. 8 out of 10? Like, how you like the ribs?
I said 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Okay. 10 out of 10. She might be greedy. I don't know. She might be greedy. I'm supposed to know how this week's game.
Don't front for the camera now. When he said he's going here, I said, okay, good. He's out of it.
Them wicked, yo.
Never forget. It might be.
Oh my God!
Anybody want any gravy left?
Alright. Potatoes, 9 out of 10. I'm gonna say potatoes 9 out of 10. Like potatoes? I like potatoes 5.
They're full of like.
Huh?
I like full of actually.
Oh yeah. I like the tzatziki.
No worries. I'm greedy.
What does it taste like?
It's fruit. I think it's like some sort of whipped cream. And this is like some hard something. You want to taste it?
Tastes like candy.
Tastes just like candy.
It's sweet. Like they made like a shell out of something light and sweet, but
I'm good. I'm gonna sweet.
that's crazy. That's crazy.
I I ain't out here making a mess. You out here being messy, man. What'd you even do? I'm ready to skirt out.
I bet you are.
I'm ready to skirt out.
Lord.
What do you mean by that?
Tisha.
I'm driving. I'm driving.
Tanisha.
I can't drive.
You can pay for it?
Yeah, so I break it up by you get my car if I like it.
And like the
You didn't even see it. You barely saw it. You said the M light.
This is a rear wheel drive car. Have you ever driven a rear wheel drive
No,
car?
I have not, but I have driven.
I'm in danger.
Oh, I have driven plenty of vehicles.
Can you even go to the pedals?
I turned on the car properly. Yes.
You
Yes.
might need to move up.
We're straight. I'm good.
No.
Matthew, I drive every day, all day for work.
Okay.
Let me put this thing in the GPS.
Couple things.
Yes, let me know.
The car is very, very trigger happy.
Okay, I know it's gonna take off.
It's gonna take off.
Are your tires good? Are your brakes good?
My brakes are good.
Okay, your
but
tires are not good.
It's a rear wheel drive car, so you
Okay.
have to brake ahead of time.
You don't have summer tires on here, right?
It is summer tires.
Oh Jesus!
Right.
How I play my music, Matthew? How I play it on here?
Read.
What's the truth for?
Bro, I've never been so scared in my life, man. Bro, what is this?
I know you so annoying me right now.
Tisha, let's go.
Okay. Come on, you say.
I'm scared. Oh.
Okay.
No. Tanisha.
Big driver this.
You don't know where he's going?
Look, I got you with the potholes too.
I'm gonna fight your ass.
This is nice. This is fun. I'm a good driver. I don't know what the mother bitch is, but you know.
Y'all crazy.
Don't tempt me, because this traffic right here, gotta cut that down. You're still alive.
For now.
You lucky you didn't let me get my ass get on the highway. You would have been clenching your cheeks.
My ball was crazy
Yeah.
clenched. Pause that. You know what I'm saying? Pause it.
Pause. If you want to be technical.
I'm gonna fight your ass.
We might have to switch someday.
No.
Switch someday.
You get
what?
you get the what you call it?
The M light.
The M light.
I don't want the M light.
It's fun. Okay, my car is fun to drive. So is this, but I'm just saying, whatever.
The M light is crazy.
Whatever. First of all, why your mirrors still? Because they're not heated. The M light is heated. Okay?
We don't need all them gizmos and gadgets.
But you can't see, can you? I'm good. I can see. Look at you panicking. Panicking. I'm good. I can see. I don't even need that one. Look at me. I don't need that one. You should be worried.
Help. Huh? SOS.
I know the size of your vehicle. Okay. It's not about the car. It's about the driver. It's about both. And you're in great hands. You're in great hands. Great hands.
Are you in good hands?
No.
I drive here all the time, Matthew. Ain't nobody coming to save you.
Yo, that's crazy to say. What are you talking about? I drive here all the time.
I do.
What does that have to do?
I know the roads. I know the, you know.
What's that to do with anything?
It don't matter. That don't matter.
It's slick outside.
Yeah, your brakes is good. Look at it, tip top. Your brakes might be better than mine.
They probably are.
And I have on heels, okay?
Like, what they do?
Excuse me.
Huh?
I said excuse.
Yeah, excuse you.
Oh, hell no.
Look at that, send everybody off.
What is you? Yo, you're a demon.
Is that the extent of your power?
You are a demon. What is wrong with
Like,
you?
you're just getting the car.
Yo, say what?
I just want to let you know I'm a better parker than you, okay?
Cap.
I am.
What do you
This
be
is what I
on?
do.
On, yo.
I used to want to be a race car driver. This is what one bad gal.
My. Yo,
Hey, look at her put on a show, right? Go up. I was about to say, go over there by herself, but she can't even hit me.
Yeah, she's in the zone. I made it here safely because I made it here safely.
Oh, you said
I would just change the sound.
no, it's fine. It was you know what? Don't do it.
Man, I'm dead.
Let's go. Is it gonna lock automatically? Is it gonna when I walk away, or I have to press the button?
No, you have to press the button.
See?
I'll give it to you nice, yeah. I tell you.
Let's have reverse. Let's see who do it better. I'm sure it's me.
Cap.
Better is crazy.
It's always me.
Always
Always.
It's even crazier.
No. First of all, let me so you don't kill me.
Please.
He might secretly hate me on the low, guys.
Why?
Tell me.
I don't know. Maybe. This is it? They can't go back anymore?
What, the seat?
Yeah. This is it? I think this is it. It's giving it, yeah. Okay.
I mean, well, if you move it up and then
Oh,
use the knob.
yeah. No, it's okay. You trying to recook the food, Matthew?
Huh?
You trying to recook the food?
I'm trying to reach the food.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
On the ground, my feet. Nah, it's cool. No, it's fine. It's fine. No, it's fine. Yeah, it's good. Bye.